Ever wondered why a single bright sunbeam makes people sneeze the moment they step outside? That sudden spray is the photic sneeze reflex, a common oddity many people recognize. It's thought to come from a genetic link between the optic nerve and the trigeminal nerve, causing a misfired signal when light hits the retina. In daily life, it can derail a morning stroll, but it poses no danger, only a quirky reminder of our tangled nervous system. So will people greet the first sunbeam with a sneeze and a shrug, or breathe through it and continue their walk?